Hey everyone, this is Anurag Ray from PestRemovalWarrior.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about why coyotes attack dogs. Now before we continue this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell so that you can receive updates about my videos when it is uploaded and also help my channel grow. Now, coyotes, as you know, are not at the top of the food chain and they are really opportunistic creatures. So, whenever they get a chance, they actually tries to come into the human territory and attack and eat whatever they can. Now, since they are not at the top of the food chain, they're always looking for food and they are all not always completely satisfied with what they are getting. And because of that reason, they usually comes into human territory to look for easy prey that they can eat. And since they have the previous experience that they can get easy prey if they come into the human territory, they have formed a habit of coming into the human territory and getting whatever they want. And this is the exact reason why they attack dogs. Now some of the dogs out there stays by themselves and they are actually away from their group. Now this is mainly referred to the street dogs because those are available most of the time and they are the ones who get unnoticed. So if they are staying by themselves, then a group of coyotes can actually attack the dog and can kill it. So usually in a typical attack there are actually 3 to 4 coyotes and they actually attack the dog. Because a single coyote, it can be quite difficult for a single coyote to take down a dog if it's aware. So it is a better option to actually bring in a small group of coyotes so that they can attack the dog and then take them away easily. So they usually do that, and these dogs, street dogs, are not so big. They are just at a moderate size, and these coyotes are much bigger and much more aggressive than these dogs. So in big numbers they can definitely kill dogs. Now if there is a big dog over there, let's say German Shepherd, or let's say a German Shepherd is also medium size. It's not that big, but they are really aggressive and they can defend themselves really well. So if there are a few German Shepherd living in a place, let's say in your house, and then indeed it can be very difficult for the coyote to attack them, because they, first of all, if they are living in a group, it can be difficult even for 4 to 5 coyotes to take down German Shepherd, because German Shepherds are big and really aggressive and they can seriously harm the coyotes. So they won't attack the German Shepherd unless the German Shepherd is alone, of course, and during that time they can attack, and even if it's not a guarantee that they are going to kill the German Shepherd. Now on the other hand, there are even bigger dogs like the Tibetan Mastiff. They are really huge and it can be really difficult for even a pack of coyotes to kill and a Tibetan Mastiff. Now Tibetan Mastiffs are, since they are really aggressive and big, it can take down the coyotes. It can be play out in a different way. The coyotes can die if the Tibetan Mastiff gets attacks them, and so if for this kind of situation they won't attack the Tibetan Mastiff and avoid them, because obviously they are not going to injure themselves and not going to get killed where they're looking for a prey. So they will usually step away from, if there is Tibetan Mastiff, they won't even want to have a confrontation unless they're extremely hungry and looking for food. So in other times, however, smaller dogs can easily become prey, especially when they are by themselves, and this usually occurs during the night, because there's the time when people are not there and they are not usually looking for what's going on in the surroundings, and that's the reason why these coyotes comes out at night and not in the morning, because in the morning there can be a lot of people and it can be really troublesome for the coyote to actually kill the dog during that time. However, they still do it, but it's very difficult for them to do that. Now another problem is that coyotes, as I told you, if they are opportunistic creatures and always looking for food, they can actually mark some houses which has dogs in them. Now it can be like if you have a small dog, because few people like to keep small dogs. So if you have a small dog in your house and then let's say the coyote notices that you have a small dog in your house, and it can become an easy meal for them. In that case, the coyote will actually notice his behavior. So when he's going out, when he's coming in, and during that time, and if it finds that the dog is left alone, is away from the owner, it can actually attack, and it will actually mark the dog, because they knows that if there comes into human contact, can get troublesome. So they will try to come in human contact. So other than that, we try to take the dog to best possible scenario, because the best possible scenario for them is for the dog to stay alone stay away from the owner. And for, let's say, if your dog goes out at night for some reason, or if you're not aware, is playing around, and if there are the coyotes lying around, then if it's a small dog, then they can definitely take away the dog. It can be really problematic if there are a lot of coyotes in those places where you live. So it's really important to let the authorities know if this kind of situations occurs, and if, let's say, some neighbor dogs goes missing, or a street dog goes missing, or if there are a lot of coyotes, if you have spotted them, definitely let the authorities know and let them deal with this kind of cases, because these coyotes are really aggressive and can also damage and even kill big adult humans. And because of that reason, it's really difficult. You should not approach these coyotes without taking proper precaution. So that's the reason it's better to inform the authorities. And if you have smaller dogs in your house, and if there are coyotes, keep your dog indoors, and most of the time take care of themselves, because I don't want your dog to go out, because they can attack anytime if they have properly marked the place. And it's not always that they are looking and marking the place, but it usually can occur, because they are also really intelligent creature, and they can plan and when they are going to do the attack. And if they are not planning, they can then also come out suddenly, and whatever they find they will eat. It can be cat, dog, rat, anything. But if they mark something, that they are definitely going to make a plan, watch every movement, and then they are gonna strike. So make sure, if there are coyotes in your area, to keep your dogs indoors. Now there is another reason to why coyotes can attack a dog, is because if the coyote is coming around a place where there is, let's say, a lot of chickens over there, or let's say if you're looking for a food, or much smaller one, the coyote then actually can come around those places. And if there are guarding dogs over there, the dogs that are like the guards, and they're protecting the chickens from getting stolen or getting eaten, then these coyotes can actually attack the dog, because if once is food desperately, and if the dogs comes in between their way, then definitely they are gonna have a clash. Now if these dogs are big, then it can be quite difficult for the coyote. However, they're still gonna try it, and that's another reason why these coyotes can actually attack the dog. And if you have, like, say, two bigger dogs and one smaller one, then the coyote will try to kill the smaller one, or take them away, or at least lure them away in some way, and then go to the chicken. They are also intelligent creatures, so do not underestimate them. If there are coyotes in your area, then make sure to let the authorities know, because these coyotes can actually be very dangerous and can do a lot of harm to human and their pets. And also to, if you have chickens or any other thing, it can be a lot of trouble. Like I told before, they are always looking for food, so whatever they can, they just eat it. It's a really problematic and annoying behavior, and because nothing is safe when something have this kind of behavior. They can attack anything and attack anyone who is in the path, because they have to satisfy their hunger, and oftentimes they are in packs, so they need a lot of food. A single small chicken won't do it, so they will be looking for different 4 to 5 chickens at a stretch, because every single coyote will be wanting a chicken. But if that's not possible, they will at least try to get one, and they are really desperate about it. They won't back away unless they get their food. That's why it's really annoying. So unless you scare them away with something or do something, it can be really difficult to actually get rid of them. Another thing is that if you have dog in your house, let's say the bigger dogs who are the guard dogs, and they are outside of your house and they are guarding your place, then they can actually alert you if there are coyotes nearby, if they are coming close, or if there is any kind of predator actually. And if that happens, you can actually take precaution, so that they are not harming your smaller dogs, or if any other things in your house that you want to protect. And can also let the authorities know. So the guard dogs, which are really big, can actually be really helpful. German Shepherd are a good example, because they live in group and they are really aggressive, so they are good at defending. There are even bigger dogs out there, they can also protect really well, and probably if those dogs are outside, these coyotes will think twice before attacking. So this is really a good thing to have bigger dogs in your house. Now that's it for this video. I hope you find your answer from this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like, comment and subscribe button. I'm uploading 2 videos every single week. There is on Monday and Friday, so don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Thank you.